Good morning everyone. My name is Rana Fatima and I am from MCA. Today I am going to present on the topic measurement of mechanical properties of wood coatings. This is a basic introduction to how we test whether a wood coating is strong and durable enough for real use. What is a wood coating? So first, what exactly is a wood coating? Simply put, it's a layer of material that we apply on the surface of wood to protect it and to make it look better. It protects the wood from moisture, scratches and UV light and also increases its lifespan. Some common examples of wood coatings are paint, varnish, lacquer, wax, oil, polyurethane finishes. We see these on furniture, flooring and wooden doors in our daily life. Now, why measure mechanical properties? Why do we need to measure the mechanical properties of these coatings? The main reason is to check whether the coating is strong and durable enough. We need to make it sure it won't crack or peel easily. We also measure it to compare different types of coatings and for quality control in manufacturing. And most importantly, these measurements are required by international standards like ASTM and ISO. There are 5 mechanical properties that we test in wood coatings. Number 1 is hardness, how resistant the surface is to scratching. Number 2 is adhesion, how well the coating sticks to the wood. Number 3 is flexibility, whether it can bend without cracking. Number 4 is impact resistance, how well it handles a sudden blow. And number 5 is abrasion resistance, how well it handles wear from rubbing. We will look at each of these one by one. The most common method to test hardness is the pencil hardness test. In this test, pencils of different hardness grades from 6B, which is the softest, to 9H, which is the hardest, are pushed across the coated surface at a 45-degree angle. The hardest pencil that does not scratch the coating gives us the hardness rating. So if a 4H pencil scratches it but 3H doesn't, then the hardness is 3H. There are other methods also. The next one is adhesion test done using the cross-cut method. It has 4 simple steps. First, we use a blade to cut a grid pattern on the coated surface. Second, we press an adhesive tape firmly over this grid. Third, we pull the tape off quickly at a 60-degree angle. Fourth, we look at how much of the coating is peeled off. The result is rated from 0 to 5, where 0 means no peeling at all, which is the best result, and 5 means a lot of peeling, which is the worst. The standard of this test is ASTM D3359. Now, for flexibility, we use the mandrel bend test. In this test, the coated panel is bent around a cylindrical rod called a mandrel. If the coating does not crack after bending, it means good flexibility. A small mandrel means a harder test. The standard is ISO 1519. For impact resistance, we use the drop weight test. A heavy weight is dropped from a certain height onto the coated surface. We then check if the coating cracked or chipped. The result is measured in joules or inch pounds, and the standard is ASTM D2794. Fifth one, abrasion resistance. Abrasion simply means wear caused by rubbing, like when you slide furniture across a wooden floor. To test this, we use the Tabor abrasion test. In this test, abrasive rubber wheels are rotated on the coated surface for a fixed number of cycles. We measure the weight of the sample before and after. Less weight loss means better abrasion resistance. The standard followed is ASTM D4060. So here is a quick summary for all 5 testers. Hardness uses pencil test. Its standard is ASTM D3363. Adhesion uses the cross-cut test, ASTM D3359. Flexibility uses the mandrel bend test, the standard is ISO 1519. Impact uses the drop weight test, ASTM D2794. And abrasion uses the Tabor test, and the standard is ASTM D4060. To conclude, wood coatings are important for protecting the wood. Measuring their mechanical properties helps us make sure they are durable and reliable. Each test has a clear method and follows international standards. These tests are widely used in the furniture, flooring, and construction industries. Thank you for listening. Thank you.